Oh yes sir. What's up guys, Retro Kids, and today I got a little video. You might not be able to see it, but the car has been lowered. Yes, the hatch has been lowered. I lowered it on max speeding rods. It's not too bad. It sits right, it rides good. On the driver's side, it's making some weird noises, but that's only like, that might be just like the brake caliper or something. Other than that, the car drives good. I would have recorded the process of doing this, but of course it's aggravating. Literally, bro, it has been like a minute since I've been making like YouTube videos. You know, just been preparing myself mentally and stuff like that for this, because I never like installed coilovers on my car before, or on any car before. So, but it turned out great. Like this, it sits good, it sits well. Let me see if I get like a good angle. But yeah, bro, that sits good. Ain't gonna cut out. Regarding this car, you know what? We're not even gonna talk about this car. Like this, I need to watch this. That's what I need. Honestly, the car sits good. I would be like elsewhere recording this because of like a certain someone. But I mean, she's being quiet today, so decided to record here. Plus, I'm tired from work and I kind of don't feel like going anywhere. But hey, why not? But other than that, though, I mean, the car sits good. I like it. It drives good. I just need to look at the driver's side. But other than that, it drives good. It drives good. Boom. And kid you not, as soon as I lowered it, somebody else someone pointed out something else immediately. Alright, so now, you know what I'm saying? Now you gotta get rid of the dusty looking head. But that's not the only thing. Get rid of the stupid looking tint, even though it looks dark, it ain't. Overall though, it's good. I might get like some cinematic shots while I'm out here, so I don't see why not, you know. It's been a minute, and of course content, and me holding a camera with my bare hands is not the best thing, so like, next time, let me get the tripod. But yeah, guys, I mean, other than like, you know, the driver's side, it's actually pretty, oh, that's so dope. I mean, it ain't too bad. And low key, by me like lowering it, the light from my hold on, wait a minute. Light from my my license plate frame kind of got like closer, bro, and it looks dope. Ain't gonna cap, that looks fresh. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna really discuss stuff about this car yet. I'm gonna just like hold out because I need to replace the brake rotors, brake pads. But I am gonna lower this like a whole lot. I need to change the oil. I especially need to clean it because I haven't washed it in like a few days. But other than that, it runs good, it drives good. So does this thing. I know there's like a little rattling going on that side, but it was doing that before I put on the coilovers. It has nothing to do with the coilovers. I'm not really worried about that knocking noise in the steering wheel. It's not really something serious. I mean, I've been driving it for a few weeks, and of course, I know I need to let the spring sit. I mean, it's pretty decent. So, and it looks good, But low key, like that the evil looking. That's pretty cool. Ain't too bad. I've been messing with it like a little bit, you know, with the height and stuff. All the sides are kind of even, except for the back. Well, the back's, I mean, it's the ride height's even, but it could be a little bit better. But other than that, the car is good, everything's good, it drives good, runs good. I might get the cat off. Other than that, she's good. Hopefully the next time I record, it could be in a more, a lighter area. Actually, wait a minute. Okay, that's low-key better, I already adjusted it. But yeah, you can see like, bro, it look, I mean, it look clean, you know? It look clean. It looks clean, I like it. I like it. It ain't too low, ain't too high. I am thinking about getting an R32 bumper, but those later projects. I reckon this wraps up this whole video. Guys, keep in mind when you do stuff like coilovers, please have another person with you, have torque wrenches, everything. I know like other people have made videos on how to change your coilovers, but bruh, really, like, don't do it like the way that some people did with the impact wrench, especially when putting these on. Please torque it down, like, bruh, please. And of course, it is the end of the day and I'm about to go inside, but if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment. I know it's been a minute since I've recorded. Forgive me. I have schoolwork. Yada yada. Forgive me. Even though we only got like 22 subscribers, I gotta do better, bruh. I ain't gonna cap. And hopefully I'll get some. I wanna go to H2OI in this thing. That's what I'm trying to get it like prepped and ready for. But until then, we're just gonna yeah, we're just gonna chill. I don't think there's really anything else I need to talk about with this car. I am gonna get another rims, but if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, comment. I will be posting more soon and hopefully be more of this car. But until then, please like, subscribe, comment, and have a good day, folks.